Hello everyone, welcome again in my channel in January the 4th of 2021. I did close the framework from in here with a new sheet metal and 2mm thick. And I'll show you later how it looks like. Okay. Hey guys, today I starting with my grinder to fine grind the welding tacks. So I can't stay too long in my tent because it's very cold. It's 5 degrees below zero outside. And it is just 2 above zero here on this spot here. So I can't work too long here. So, it seems quite okay. I was taking my little belt grinder and do some more adjustments. So, then we can continue with it. Hello guys, today the 17th of January. I'm going to work in my tent again, and as you see, it's here very snowy in Norway, in the south part of Norway, not so far from the coast and the sea. Hello everyone, good morning. Today I have some task to make this model. I need to connect the trailer arm with the framework. So I have my piece of metal, it's 2mm thick, and here I made measurements, and so the white here is 60mm and the white below here is 48mm. So I'm starting with and a little later I can go out in my working space, in my garage tent, and then I can make the cut and fold it for everyone. So if you remember, if you make something like that, you have to make it mirror end while it not is correct if you do it other way, because now it's correct, but if you decide to make a model, then you have to make the mirror way. So it looks like that way when I put it together in the car. And so you see how it is that way. This comes into the framework, and also this here in the bottom from the framework, and the same on the other side. Okay, thank you. So far, so good. I just have to make adjustments, bring it down the sharp sides, and remove this piece here. And then bend it in that wise, so in lies inside here, here, and here. So the piece is made. I have to make some adjustments a little later, and then I can weld it in tomorrow. Well, I'm happy. Hello, today I'm welding the support I made ready into the framework, and here and there. I prepared it for rust, so it's ready, it's done. So I just have to take some clamps and weld it on place. So, the welding is done. It's not so nice, it was very kinky to come in there and also there, but it is done and it is secure. So I just have to grind it down and make it smooth and nice. Then I can prepare it further on for rust prevention. Okay, that was it for today. Thank you, bye. So, the welding is done, the grinding is done, and more on fine grinding in here. So I did also start to grinding in here. So I have to make some polyester putty in here, there, and on the other side, so it's tight. And no placement for moisture or water in there. So I did also lit some there where I've an epoxy putty, and that I come to remove and using some other putty. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye. So, I'm done for today. I think it looks very good, very okay up there, and also beneath there. So, I made my task today, and now I'm going to relax. Okay, bye. Hello guys, I want to show you today for the first time my equipment. This is my air compressor. It's 3-phase. And it gives 5.5 horsepower and supply me with 500 liters air per minute. Here's my professional equipment. This is for the air out into the oil reservoir, where I can just adjust the oil. And this one here goes to my condenser, who takes the moisture away out from my equipment when I'm using my air hoses. So that I had for many years now, about 15, 17, 18 years, I suppose. I don't recall it exactly. But this is the best equipment I could buy. So I'm very pleased with it. So I'll show you in the next video. Bye.